going to visit a nursery in a village. This village is full of greenery with clean roads.
Hello friends, today I am going to visit this nursery. You can see natural fertilizers to grow healthy plants. Pits to grow small plants. Fertilizers. Natural fertilizers.
These are pits.
These little plants are used in farms to grow vegetables.
Farmers take little plants for their farming.
This nursery is covered with green ground. Have sun protection. And I think they removed over here like this. These are very little plants. Little than my hand. Little hand.
Small seeds grow into plants. We get vegetables from vegetable plants.
These are chili plants. Chili. These little farms are these pits. Tomato plants. Those are brinjal plants. Today I visited one nursery full of different plants. They are growing. Small size, they are growing, and these are in middle size. There are so many workers doing their work. Adding fertilizers. These are marigold plants.